Want your local business to start generating more leads and sales from Google searches? Stick around for some powerful tools that will elevate your local search rankings and attract new customers. Welcome back to Local Marketing Insights with Locally. My name's Judd, and today we're going to talk about how to optimize your Google business profile to get more customers. For those who don't know, Google Business is a free tool that lets you make a listing for your business on Google Search and Maps. This helps people in your area find and learn about your business when they search online. But you want to make sure you set up your Google business profile right so it really works for your business. An optimized profile can help you show up higher in search results, get more website traffic, generate more leads, and make more sales. So here are 13 optimization tips and tricks for your Google business profile. First things first, claim your Google business listing if you haven't already. Search for your business on Google and click Claim This Business. Verify it's yours by following the steps they give you. This makes you the official owner in Google's eyes. Next, once you've claimed your listing, fill out every section, your basic info, hours, photos, products or services, videos, description, everything. The more complete your profile, the better. Number 3, be meticulous with your contact information. Triple check that your business name, address, and phone number match exactly what's on your website and other directories online. Consistent info is really important. 4th, pick a main category and a second category that accurately reflect what your business does. For a restaurant, and then maybe cafe. This will help people find you. Next, turn on any attributes like wheelchair accessible, accepts credit cards, offers delivery if they apply to your business. This gives people useful additional facts that may help them choose your business over a competitor. Write a complete from the business description. This is your chance to tell potential customers what you do, your specialty, your history, what makes you unique. Keep it to a few short, snappy paragraphs and use keywords people are likely to use in searches. Number 7. Publish Google posts weekly. Post updates, news, events, and offers to keep your listing looking fresh and active. If this information is helpful to you, please hit the like button. It lets us know you're finding our content valuable and it helps other people find the video. Next on our list, upload photos weekly. Add lots of high quality photos of your storefront, products, services, and inside space. Your listing will be more informative and visually appealing. Number 9, answer questions. Answer any questions that get posted publicly or privately. This shows you're engaged with your customers and you care about giving them great service and a good experience. Next up, ask for reviews and respond to them. Reviews are one of the most important factors that Google uses when ranking local search results. Ask your customers for reviews and respond to both positive and negative ones in a timely and professional manner. And in fact, we have another video about responding to those Google reviews. Add your products and services. List specific products or services people can directly learn about or buy from your listing. This way, it'll be easier for potential customers to learn about what you offer and to purchase products or services directly from your listing. Number 12, turn on messaging. Messaging allows potential customers to contact you right from Google with questions. It's a great way to provide support to potential and existing customers. And finally, maintain your Google business profile. Keep everything updated regularly. Hours, photos, descriptions, check for new reviews and questions often too. These 13 tips will really improve your Google business profile and get more local customers to your business. Thanks for watching. If you have other small business marketing questions, please leave us a comment. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great marketing content. I'll see you next time on Local Marketing Insights with Locally.